We'll see how these niggas gonna try and fucking diss me, man. We'll see who fucking wins in the end, whatever. It's just fucking lame. Yeah. Push down the gas cause I'm flaming it up. All these pussies are actors and faking too much. Got in the cold, I'ma smoke you like Dutch. Josh ain't about to collapse in his lungs. Pussy, you dead, caught by the feds. Dropping that baby right onto his hand. Making you silent, you fucking the bread. Cisco was bleeding, you singing the red. Ay, radical coming, you out of the water. I'm sick of these niggas, they fucking with God. Gazelle to a lion, a dog to a mind. Your pussy is bleeding, I'm calling it odd. Now I'm awoke and my body was frozen. Just look at his face cause that nigga a rat. Come to the king, now you bound to the ring. I'm smoking a nigga and naming the back. Blade on my head with a skig on my face. With the finishing move as I'm catching the case. Nigga retarded, can't keep with the pace. Lacing it up as I come through the gates. All in his feelings, he breaking the jam. Niggas too broke, he ain't walking again. Sound like a problem, he go to a friend. Nasty ass niggas gon' drop to the end. What's a guy to an antelope? You the poison, I'm the antidote. I'ma have a shoot a rapping though. Red dot like a telescope. It's still like I'm down with the sickness. Had to put him on my wish list. And see a nigga kinda wish this. You don't really want